Good evening, friends, and welcome back to the kitchen. Tonight we are going to go ahead and make some corn tortillas because I'm in the mood for tacos. So let me show you how I make my homemade corn tortillas. All right, friends, so for our tortillas, all we need is some maseca. We're doing 2 cups, and then we're going to go in with some salt and our water. So it calls for 1.5 cups of water, but I've found that I end up having to use more than 1.5 cups. So we're gonna start off with about 1 cup. Mix it in. Go on with some more. You wanna make sure you don't have any like loose flour. So that right there was already about 1.5 cups. So I'm gonna go in with another 1/2 cup. I'm gonna go in with my hand and just start mixing it in. It's well hydrated now. So that's, I would say it was about 2 cups that I had. Now I'm gonna go ahead and knead it for about 5 minutes. And this isn't like you were doing your flour tortillas. This is just making sure that it is nice and soft and well hydrated. And that's how you get those nice soft corn tortillas. You want it to be like a Play-Doh texture. A little ball, and we're going to go ahead and roll it up. And then we're going to smash it down, and I don't see any cracks around the edges, so that means our dough is well hydrated and ready to be made into little balls. Alright friends, so now that we've got our dough balls all ready, I'm going to go in with a wet towel, and I'm just going to lay it over them. This way they stay hydrated and they don't dry out. Now we're going to go ahead and set those to the side while we warm up our skillet. Alright friends, so I've got my tortilla press here, and I've got some plastic wrap over it, and we're going to work one at a time. And we're going to go ahead and press it down. And flip it. Press it again. Flip it. Press it again. And flip it. Press it again. Now the reason I pressed it 4 times is because this does not press evenly, so I want to make sure that these are even. And there we go. I've got my skillet warming up, but I'm going to go ahead and get probably like 3 or 4 of these made, and then I'll show you how we cook them. Alright friends, so our skillet is nice and hot. We're going to go ahead and place our tortilla right there on the skillet. I've got it on a medium high. And we're going to do 45 seconds and then flip it for another 45 seconds. Okay friends, once they puff up like this, we're going to go ahead and pull it off. put it in our warmer. All right, and here are our delicious tortillas. You can see they're super soft. So however you like to have your tortillas with, or your tacos, do you prefer crunchy or soft? Let me know in the comments. We like them both. We don't really care either way, crunchy or soft. But we're gonna go ahead and do soft tacos today. I'm gonna go through with our meat. Come in with our cheese. Come in with our rice right in there. And there we go. Don't those look amazing? All right, friends, so we're gonna go ahead and dig in and try out these tacos. Again, this is our homemade tortillas. Look at how good those look. So good. Those tortillas change everything. Again, friends, you gotta make your own tortillas. It's a game changer when it comes to your tacos. So friends, definitely give this recipe a try. Let me know what you think. And until next time, friends, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well and have a blessed day.